Hello, lovely people! Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, taking care of ourselves. We've come up with 5 healthy habits to improve your sleep hygiene. Firstly, switch off all screens and electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. This will help your brain relax and prepare for sleep, improving both the quality and duration of your rest. Next up, try some gentle stretches or light yoga before turning in for the night. This will help relax your muscles and release any tension you may be holding in your body. Thirdly, create a tranquil environment in your bedroom. Dim the lights, use calming scents like lavender, and keep the room at a comfortable temperature. A peaceful atmosphere can make all the difference in achieving deep sleep. Fourthly, create a consistent bedtime routine. It could be as simple as taking a warm bath followed by reading or journaling before bedtime. This routine will signal to your body that it's time for sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Lastly, but not least, try adding a few drops of calming essential oils to your pillow before hitting the sack. Some popular choices are chamomile and lavender. They can help you drift off easily and enjoy a restful night's sleep. By incorporating these 5 healthy habits into your bedtime routine, you'll not only get better sleep, but also wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Until next time, sweet dreams!